Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can hide comments or likes in Facebook. So, likes or comments are called reactions on Facebook, right? So, for example, if I post something here, I want to post hi and I want to post, but I'm kind of embarrassed because there's not a lot of engagement. I want to change and hide how the reactions work, right? So, the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go to my profile settings here and I'm going to click on settings and privacy. And on settings, I want to go on settings again. On settings here, I want to go on the search bar up here and I want to find reaction, right? So reaction like this, and then click on reaction preference. Now on here, you can see that you can hide the numbers of reaction. Now you can hide the number of reaction on posts from others. So if you're looking at posts from others, you won't see reactions anymore or the total numbers of likes, right? Or you can also hide it from your post, right? So other people won't see the total number of reactions on their posts you shared to your profile, right? So reaction counts will still appear on your posts in other places such as groups or other content such as reels. So if you want to turn this on, just click on it and now it's on. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.